Okay. Where are you, baby? Okay, guys, we're traveling from Carlos. Okay. A lot of stuff here. So hard. So we're just ready to leave. Go, Be? Be, are you ready to go? Huh? Are you ready to go? Huh? You don't want to bring your GJ? Or
Then turn left onto Norco Road.
Hey guys, we're here in the Carmel's Inn. So we're close to the road, the highway road. So, not so fancy, but it's good. Supposed to be we go to the family. It's so big, so expensive. So big, yes, good, but this is what we get only the twin bed, superior twin bed. Yeah, it's okay. We're okay here for Bem Bem. And this is we have a restaurant here. So far, rather than the oxen, my goodness, guys, the oxen is not good. What they say in the descriptions in the Agoda is not there. Only the rooms is everything. They said there's a free parking area. You know, the free parking area, guys, is only in the road, small road of the barangay, of their street. Not good. And they don't say, they say beach is close. They have a beach. My God, beach is far. Not, I don't see the beach there. They have a bar, but in the upstairs, they have a sitting place in the upstairs. So Walter canceled it. He said it's a fraud say from Agoda. And then they have but under constructions like this. Oh my God, they never say it, update in the Agoda. Hayo diya, Bim, get your slipper na. Remove your crown. You can wear socks. Put it there, away. Here only, kay daddy na. Don't sleep there. Here ka, oh. Okay, it's your place here. You want to go swimming? Huh? Are you tired? You want to go to swimming? Or with dinner? Yet, first. You want to go to swimming? Oh. Yes?
Yes.
5
o'clock. Have you already?
1 hour only she is. To go to swimming, so I let her to go. We will go, Hannah.
Hey, I'm here.
Daddy will be there. Come on. Okay. Come on.
Okay.
Sige, sige, una. Go in the stair. Ala, my slipper. Stupid, I did not have a slipper. Na ang girl. Celestia, my little girl, ready to go to swimming. Go. Go down. Down. Sige, go down. The swimming pool is outside, down. You ask the towel first. You ask the towel. Mag-ask mig towel para sa iya.
Food.
Ano po?
Yung po ninyo, ma'am, nara sa inyo.
Ulo. Abot sa ng husband. Oh,
Pila po po maligo, ma'am.
siyara. Kay, dili ba lawom na kay
Kuan, ma'am, namin pang cake. The forfeit na po na nila.
forfeit ra. Kay dili na ako tao daw.
Ano pa yung pang bata dito, ma'am?
Okay. Sige na, sige na.
Ever, ma'am, bata tayo sa mensahe.
Oo. Okay. Asa likod pa
Oh,
yun
nali,
dito?
na yung black cake. Black,
Okay.
grabe na pasan. Sige, agi lang sa kakadali.
Ah,
Basa ka, ma'am.
Bagi na lang tayo.
Ano na? Pero basa, ma'am, adon ka dito lagi.
Lagi, lagi. Thank you. Good. Asang main? Asang door dito?
Tara, adi lang siya, ma'am.
Okay. Kana. Exit. Sige na. Go down. Ang shower lab.
Ano lang ay?
Be, shower sa here. Be. Shower sa there. Shower sa. Go shower. They want you to shower first. No working. Go na lang. No working. Sige na. Put your slipper here. To mommy. Sige na. Dili mag-slipper sa hole. Sige na, remove. Go na. Basta si mami. Sige, mag-dinner din ka. Sige na. Hey, go na. You don't like it? Cold? Yes. Still colder. Nothing is different. Okay, we're here with Celestia, the swimming pool, and little girl. We just arrived today from Dumaguete. Oh my gosh, it's a long 4 hours. It's okay. We are lost. We are the first hotel no, not hotel. The BNB, Oxen BNB breakfast. Not good place. Not good. Okay, trying now. Sige na. Your glasses. Okay. You're welcome. So, ang this Caramel's Inn is under repair the elevator. Walter was, oh my god, cannot climb already. Okay. Take a picture, mami. Kay send nato ni mama. Face din eh. Give a heart. Give a heart. Where is your eyes? Mami, ito. Okay, go na. My little girl having a swimming. We just arrived here. She enjoy. My little girl. Look at. She's the only one here. I'm just watching. They have a function hall there. Second floor are room. Just only twin, superior twin. no bacon already for the queen, for the family. Full. Okay, my celestial cat. She's enjoying. Guys, Celeste. This is the favorite of my little girl. Swimming pool. The playground. That's what Bembel like it. Swimming pool, the playground, playing. They have a party here, function, reservations. Don't go there, ha? Kay very deep. You cannot stand up. Oh my gosh, I don't want anymore to stop. Halina, let's go, let's go. Kay mag-dinner na. Let's go, kay mag-dinner ta. Na, si daddy nag-waiting sa upstairs. Go. Halika na. Be, they have a birthday party, be. They have a birthday party. They have a cake, birthday party. Let's go, be. Let's go. Oh my God, di naman ka mag-one stop. Come on. Okay, mag-dinner pa ta. Let's go. Okay. Let's go our dinner. Be. Come on, you're not there. You are not belong there. That's a function.
Ising na ako, wala, matol na, ibang kanina. Sarang ko yan.
Kung duha, kung sakto.
Wala ka yan.
Kung kuwan, isa lang na. Ready na ka? Wala na dito. Fish fillet lang yun. Di nga boneless na. With garlic sauce. order yang adobo wala. So tanaw ako na lang ni kaon kay ako ra ba kay platter sapsoy ang daddy fish fillet yo yan gibawi ag french fries. Oh my goodness, this girl cannot cannot bring in the party. Eating kayo. Okay, good morning guys. It's our first morning here. So my girl is wants to early swimming again. My gosh, we have a vacation just swimming. Nah, look at, she looking already the swimming pool. Just wait. Nagtantro, mamong girl. mama nagtantrum kay nadismaya sa swimming. Giignan man mo sa one we cannot use the swimming pool under cleaning. 9 o'clock only. Nagtantrum, cry.
No?
Siya. She thought that was going. She thought that we were going. We're just having a breakfast for a while. Okay. Having a breakfast. My lady was so relaxed. Go to the restaurant. Go to the restaurant later, that one.